In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add subdomain into Shopify store. To begin, open your Shopify admin and go to the Settings area. Inside Settings, select Domains. This is where Shopify lets you manage the web addresses connected to your store. If you are adding a subdomain through a domain you already own, this is the correct place to start. Once you are on the Domains page, click Connect Existing Domain. This option is used when your domain is registered with a third-party provider and you want to link it to your Shopify store. A subdomain is simply an extension of your main domain, such as a shop, store, or blog version of your web address, and Shopify will guide you through the connection process from here. After that, enter your domain name in the field provided, then click Next. Make sure you type the domain carefully so there are no spelling errors. Accuracy matters here because Shopify will use this information to detect the correct provider settings and help you continue with the connection. Next, log into your domain provider. This could be a service such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or another registrar where your domain is managed. You will need access to that account because Shopify may request permission to update the domain settings for you. If you are already signed in, this part may move quickly. If not, simply enter your account credentials and continue. Once you are logged in, click Connect or Authorize, depending on what your provider shows. This is the final action that allows Shopify to link the domain or subdomain to your store. In many cases, Shopify will automatically configure the necessary connection settings once you approve access. That can save time and reduce the chance of manual errors. After you complete the authorization, give the connection a little time to update. Domain changes do not always happen instantly, so if you do not see the subdomain working right away, wait a bit and check again. That is completely normal. It is also a good idea to return to the domain section in Shopify to confirm that the domain appears as connected. That is the full process. Go to Settings, open Domains, choose Connect Existing Domain, enter your domain, sign into your domain provider, and approve the connection. That covers everything you need to know.